Picture this: golden sunlight filtering through a canopy of olive trees, the scent of lavender and rosemary lingering in the air, and the soft sound of a trickling fountain in the corner of your patio. You're lounging on a weathered wooden bench, sipping a glass of crisp white wine, wrapped in the warmth of a perfectly imperfect Mediterranean farmhouse oasis. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that you don't need to book a flight to Tuscany or the Greek Isles to experience this magic? You can create it right in your own backyard, or even on a small balcony. Welcome, friends. Today, we're embarking on a design journey that will transform your ordinary outdoor space into a Mediterranean farmhouse paradise, a place where rustic charm meets effortless elegance, where every corner feels like a postcard from the European countryside. Whether you're working with a sprawling patio or a cozy urban nook, I'll share foolproof tips, budget-friendly hacks, and stunning design ideas that will make your space feel like a permanent vacation. So grab a favorite drink, because by the end, you'll be bursting with inspiration. Why Mediterranean farmhouse? Because it's more than just a style, it's a lifestyle. It's about embracing slow living, celebrating natural textures, and creating a space that feels both timeless and inviting. Think terracotta pots overflowing with herbs, chunky wooden furniture that tells a story, and soft linen drapes dancing in the breeze. This isn't about perfection. It's about character, warmth, and that irresistible just stumbled upon a charming villa vibe. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Segment 1: The Foundation Mediterranean Farmhouse Style Explained. First, what exactly is Mediterranean farmhouse style? It's a blend of rustic simplicity and coastal elegance. Think weathered wood, wrought iron, and earthy ceramics paired with soft, sun-bleached colors. This style celebrates imperfections, natural materials, and a laid-back vibe. Picture terracotta pots overflowing with herbs, a chunky wooden dining table under a pergola, and linen drapes fluttering in the breeze. It's all about creating a space that feels lived in, warm, and full of character. Key elements include textured walls, like lime wash or stucco, arched doorways, and patterned tiles. But don't worry, you don't need a full renovation. Small touches like a vintage-inspired fountain, clay planters, or a wrought iron chandelier can instantly evoke that Mediterranean feel. The goal? A space that invites you to slow down, sip a glass of wine, and savor the moment. Pro tip: stick to a neutral palette, creams, tops, and warm whites, with pops of ocean blue or olive green. These colors reflect the natural landscapes of the Mediterranean and keep the look timeless. Now, let's talk furniture. Segment 2: Furniture and Layout. Rustic meets refined. The right furniture can make or break your Mediterranean farmhouse patio. Opt for pieces that look handcrafted and slightly weathered, distressed wood tables, wrought iron chairs, or a cozy sectional with linen slipcovers. Mixing materials is key. Try a wooden bench with iron legs or a stone-top coffee table with woven rattan stools. The more texture, the better. Arrange your seating to encourage conversation and relaxation. A U-shaped setup around a fire pit or a long farmhouse table under a pergola creates an inviting focal point. Don't forget shade. A canopy of climbing vines, a canvas umbrella, or even a rustic wooden pergola draped with sheer curtains will add both style and comfort during hot afternoons. For smaller patios, go vertical. Hang wall planters, install floating wooden shelves for potted herbs, or add a foldable bistro set for flexibility. The Mediterranean farmhouse style is all about making the most of what you have, embracing imperfections, and letting the space feel organic and unforced. Segment 3: Greenery and Decor, bringing the outdoors in. No Mediterranean paradise is complete without lush greenery. Olive trees, lavender, rosemary, and bougainvillea are must-haves for that authentic vibe. If you're in a cooler climate, opt for hardy alternatives like boxwood or sage. Cluster terracotta pots of different sizes for a casual, collected over time look, and add trailing vines like ivy or jasmine for softness. Decor details matter. Think hand-painted ceramics, aged brass lanterns, and woven baskets. Layer in textiles like striped outdoor rugs, linen throw pillows, and chunky knit blankets for extra coziness. A water feature like a small fountain or a bird bath adds a soothing touch and enhances that rustic European feel. Lighting is the final magic touch. String Edison bulbs overhead, place candlelit lanterns on tables, or hang a statement chandelier for evening ambience. The goal is to create a space that feels magical at golden hour and utterly enchanting under the stars. And just like that, we've turned your patio into a Mediterranean farmhouse dream, a place where every sunset feels like a getaway and every morning coffee tastes like La Dolce Vita. Whether you started with a blank slate or just added a few key touches, I hope this video has shown you that creating a stunning outdoor escape doesn't require a designer's budget or a mansion-sized space. It's all about the details, the textures, the greenery, and that laid-back, life is meant to be savored energy. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which idea are you most excited to try? Maybe it's the terracotta herb garden, the rustic pergola draped in vines, or those dreamy string lights that make evenings feel magical. Drop a comment below and let me know, or better yet, tag me in your before and after photos. I can't wait to see how you bring these ideas to life. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and ring the bell so you never miss a new upload. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, your outdoor space should be a reflection of the life you want to live, one filled with beauty, relaxation, and maybe just a little bit of that Mediterranean magic. Until next time, happy decorating, and may your patio always feel like paradise. Cheers!